your service. Yes, sir. Iceberg, forward. No problem, John. Let's get on. Going ready. Yes, sir. Iceberg, forward. Your orders, sir. Let's go. Your orders, my lord. Ready, my lord. Yes, sir. No problem, John.
The addition of this shire to your lands brings the whole country within your grasp. Siege this castle? Slaughter these villagers? There has been a little your serfs.
John, lads! Your orders, sir? New orders, sir. Let's get the game. We're ready. Right you are then. Yes, sir. Let's get digging. Your orders, my lord? At the double! Quick march! At the double! Of course, sir! Sir! Quick march! We are ready! Of course, sir! Let's get on! We'll crush 'em! At the double! Men ready! Sir! Of course, sir! At the double!
Another county fall. Ah, my realm is lost. My power, my crown, my riches, for shame, for shame. Surely, Lord, there is a job for me in your new kingdom. The recent rumors of there has been your serfs. This is one of your armies. Combine these armies. Siege this castle. The long spell of hot, the mobs are...
Ready, my lord? We are ready. Let's sketch the game. New orders, sir. Yes, sir. Ready, my lord? Let's get digging. Like this. Ready. Your orders, sir? Of course, my lord. Your orders, my lord? Let's go! Yes, sir. No problem, Count. Ready, my lord? Your orders, sir? Of course, my lord.
This county all but seals your conquest. One more county, and the crown is yours.
Alas, my fair land is to fall beneath the sharp boots of these curs. Have pity on them, they are just common folk.
may think I'm beaten, but I'm not. I still have my sword. I'll take you and your whole army myself with my... Wait. My sword. Where is it?